Hello, sweethearts. Welcome to the tutorial for Porque les Mientes by Tito el Bambino. This is a really fun and sweet salsa song. It's one of the first ones I choreographed for salsa, so let's get started. We're going to start off with a simple salsa step, side to side. That's all you got to do. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. We go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Now these arms the entire time are just our salsa arms. So imagine a little perfume on your wrists, and you're just moving them right here in front of you. Good, with the elbow work, feel a little bit of shoulder. If you want to add some arms yourself, a little shimmy during the salsa, you can. We do this salsa step 7 times on each side, so 14 total. We'll start with the basic side to side, right here for 4. Ta, 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 ta. Then we're going to add a cross step. 1, 2, ta, 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 ta. Now once you get comfortable with this, you can add a little hip here, ta, 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 ta. And then we're going to work that all the way through. So we're going to go ahead and show it. It's a little bit more fast, a little faster than that, so let's show that there. We go pa, 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 ta, 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 ta. Then we'll add that cross step. 5, 6, and then we're going to add that hip. Pa, 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 and pa. Good. Then we're going to take those fists, and the wrists are going to go right to the hip. We're going to have a little matador ole. There's a music cue, you will hear it. So we hold here, and on that music drum there, or trumpet, we're going to hit ole. Then we're going to take a side 2-step, salsa side, salsa 2-step. Then we take it up to the mirror, right leads, then left, then we take it back, right, and left. Then we're going to have the little wrist flick here. So we're going to go side to side. Arms are just going out and up, out and up. And we're going to flick the wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take it around, paddle turn to the front. Get ready. Now there's time in that music for 2 pedal turns there. Ta, ta, ta. And here. Let's see all that facing the front from the top. We start. Salsa, salsa. Ta, ta, ta. Then we go cross. Ta, ta. Now remember, you can add the hip here. Pop, pop, ta. One more. Pa, pa. Hold, 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 flip. We take it side and side. To the front, front, to the back, back, and back. Side with the wrist flick. Pa, pa, ta, ta. One more. Pa, 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 pa. And then we paddle turn around, paddle, 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 front. Now there is time for 2 paddles there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. All right, next section, we have a little side-to-side step. This is not a salsa step, but just a pause and pause. So we go right, left, and then 4 taps with the right foot, starting right, left, left. Showing the feet first, right, left, 4 taps, and we're gonna add these hips now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you tap, you leave the hip down and you pop it, ta, ta, ta. Now the arms. Arms go around the hair, when you go to the right, then we step it to the left, they push palms out. Then after we tap those forward with the hips, we're going to bring the hands right to us and in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see that first here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats 4 times. Let's see it facing the front. We just came around pedal turn, and we get ready. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, on the 4th one, we go out, out, hit, 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 hit. Then we take it up 4 times, double step to the front. Double right, double left, double right, double left. We're going to pop that right foot, right knee is here, and on the accents, there's 2 trumpets. First it goes accent up, and we're just going to take the palms up to the ceiling, and on the second one, we're going to pop the hip, hit. And then we're going to take it down 5, 6, 7, 8, and the body is just bouncing 7, 8. Then we take it back. Double, double, double. Getting ready for the double accent. First up, pop, and pop, down 5, 6, 7, 8, into the paddle turn. Let's see that face in the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Here come those accents. 1, hit, 3, hit, 5, 6, 7, 8. Paddle turn single or double. Also the double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get me ready. And we're going to have a little hip action here. Goes accent, accent. Great. That's all section 1. We're going to do the same thing one more time through. I'm going to show the whole thing facing the front. We start with that salsa step. Remember, we're going to start crossing. Now we can add that hip. You can add some arms here if you like. Get ready, ole, hit. Side and side, take it up. Front and front, take it back, back. Now with our wrist action, out, 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 out. One more time. And paddle turn. There's room for 2. Side step, right, left, with the hips, 4, 4. In, right, left, 4, 3, 2, 1, right, left, 4, 3, 2. Take it up. Double for 4, 3, 2. Here comes those accents. Hit, hit, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Paddle, turn around, around, around. Getting ready. Hip, hip. So that's all the choreography for Porque les Mientes. Let's dance it.